Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Diamond Jubili jong Shillong Polytechnic la Plie patba hne kasi ka shipotrik uyayong 8,000 apunriu halor kapang vocationalizing the future hakaba u commissioner ban uskatri katanat pule puthi u Vijay Kumar Mantri ulalong kumukong san bat ka director ka higher and technical education ka HDB sangma kalalong kum kasembot kong san habakran ha kajing elang umantri ula banjur ya kajing don kam ka banang roy jong kajing puli da ka babatay ya ka kum kajing jiet ka bakhmi lenti ban jam shakmat bat kado bagi karkhana ha keleng kilanang kham khen ko ki sab bat kajing tibet jong ki ban yaki kardan puli ulay thu ru baka sarkar jilla class dang ya ka community integrated skill learning ban kentiu ya ka jinghikai ban tebit bat ban tip benia la kadai ha kanu kanu ka kam ula kentu yaki jaka pule ban pentikna bagi khna pule ken yo yaki jinghikai babenia halor ka kam ka bagi trei na kelyang ka director ka higher and technical education ka HDB sangma kala banjur ban penyahap yaka jinghikai halor ka jing start bat ki jing e ki badang mi kom ka jingkala ka sun beneng ka jingkala ha ki kor ki bor dak ba penslor ya ka jing pen tebet ya ki sab la ka de halor ka jing pen ne pensa ya ka me mariang ka jing eda ki kam sniu ne kata ka baki ong ka cyber security bat ka jing pet benia ya ki jing tip ban kintiu ya ki lat yo kam yo jam ha kate ka sni u Vijay Kumar Mantri bat ka HDB sangma kilapli ya umau sa kan mau da ka ba pen bana pat ba balapli ya ka jing Rakhe ya ka Diamond Jubili jong ka Shillong Polytechnic.
I hereby announce Shillong Polytechnic Diamond Jubilee celebration open. Very small number of students in the state who have chosen this. Every year, 50,000 students, almost 50,000 students pass out SSLC. Out of 50,000 students, only 300 students are taking this path, a rare path of Polytechnic. I must congratulate all of you for the courage that you have taken, for the decision that you have taken to come in this path. But this Polytechnic, this route is something is very wonderful, very unique. In future, this is going to be the thing. Maybe it has already happened in China and many other countries, and it is going to happen in our country also. Recently, CBSE has announced many changes that is actually coming in the direction of what you have already taken. I'll tell you one thing that in my batch 2007, the topper of 2007 batch IAS, his name is Muttela Raju. He is a close friend of mine. And the unique thing about him is that he did Polytechnic. After he did Polytechnic, he did electrical engineering, and then he went to IISc Bangalore. He did his MTech. After that, he joined Engineering Service Railways. Then he joined IPS. He became IPS. Then finally, he achieved IAS. And the thing that he always tells me that the thing that has helped him most is the Polytechnic. Because those 3 years of Polytechnic has given him so much clarity.
Drainage systems for militaries like ours, or developing earthquake resilient structures tailored to our state and to the Northeast region. Perhaps engaging the students in life projects could be explored, if not yet done. These days, we also hear so much and read so much about cyber thefts and cyber crimes, cloud computing, data analytics. These are all very technical jargons for me. Perhaps the trust in these areas for students in computer science and engineering, electronics and communication, I don't know whether these are also part of your syllabus or outside of it, but equipping the students to deploy applications, secure networks, and analyze data sets could perhaps have a good employability prospect in today's digital world. A student in electrical engineering could also perhaps learn to work on live solar electrification projects in nearby rural areas, and this could perhaps build skill, confidence, and community impact. We say vocationalizing the future would also perhaps align with green and sustainable livelihood.